pressure on George Russell into the first corner. Russell locks up. Lando Norris leads from Oscar Piastri. The two Ferraris get slightly pinched. Russell is going to have to concede places. He took to the runoff area, but they've got the start right, and Lando Norris leads through Curva Grande.
Very smart from the two McLaren drivers. Piastri tucked in. Norris gave him the slipstream, and then they didn't squabble too much in the first chicane. They are in the second chicane.
Squabbling, and Piastri takes the lead.
Why are you going on a slant?
So that's settings.
Say again.
So that's settings.
Oh yeah. Yep. Shall I send them a cricket bat? How funny that would be. I think they might appreciate that. Yeah, I reckon we'll keep it. At least until we... It depends. If we can get a fair amount of money for it, then it is worth it. Let's do wings. Wings and...
Things.
Wings and things. I'm sure I've seen that on someone's menu.
Yeah.
Salad? Or are you having that for lunch?
I might have that at lunch, but I can make a new one.
Yeah? Yeah, giant cauliflower, wings and...
Why don't we do roasted, if we put the wings on barbecue, we do roasted veg?
Yeah.
So it would be like courgette and peppers.
Yeah, that would be cool. Okay, then Tuesday, sweet potato katsu.
Yeah.
Here. Salad. I think those salads, big salads are good, and we just need to... Oh yeah, let's do that. Should we do a mince on Thursday?
Yeah.
Mince / tacos /
And